Did you know that almost half of Americans are projected to retire with less than $100,000? It's a shocking statistic. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be your reality. If you're determined to build financial independence before 40, you're in the right place. Welcome to Factful Finance, where we break down the strategies and insights you need to take control of your financial future. Before we dive in, just a quick reminder. The content shared today is for educational purposes only. For personalized advice, be sure to consult with a certified financial professional. Now, let's get to it. How can you achieve financial independence before 40? It's not just about saving. It's about being strategic with your money. We'll break down the steps you can take to set yourself up for early retirement, debt-free living, and financial freedom. Step 1. Master your money mindset. Financial independence starts with a shift in how you think about money. It's not just about making more, it's about managing what you have. Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities, and recognizing that wealth is built by growing your assets and minimizing your liabilities is crucial. Take Sarah, for example. Sarah worked a 9-to-5 but kept her expenses in check. She stopped buying unnecessary luxuries and started investing in stocks, real estate, and a side business. It wasn't magic. It was consistent decision-making that focused on wealth building rather than lifestyle inflation. Sarah focused on growing her assets and reduced her liabilities, putting herself in a position to reach financial independence by 40. Step 2. Live below your means. This might sound basic, but it's one of the most effective strategies to build wealth. The key is simple. Spend less than you earn. But this doesn't mean you have to live like a hermit. Living below your means allows you to build the savings and investments that will pay off later. Let's look at David, who was making $80,000 a year at 30. Instead of maxing out his lifestyle, David lived like he was making $60,000, investing the rest. By consistently saving and investing, David built a sizable portfolio of stocks and bonds, setting himself up for financial freedom by 40. His secret? Consistency. Step 3. Save and invest aggressively. Saving is important, but to retire early, you need to focus on investing aggressively. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Experts recommend investing in a diversified portfolio, including low-cost index funds, real estate, and perhaps some alternative investments. The goal is to have your money work for you, rather than just sitting in a savings account earning minimal interest. Emma, for example, took advantage of employer retirement matches and consistently maxed out her contributions to her 401k. At the same time, she invested in dividend-paying stocks. By the time she was 35, Emma's investments were earning her more annually than her salary. Now, she has the flexibility to choose when to retire. She's financially independent before 40, and you can be too. Step 4. Create passive income streams. Passive income is the key to achieving financial independence early. Whether it's through real estate, dividends, or royalties from intellectual property, you need to start building income streams that don't rely on your active participation. Think about Matt, who took the time to build a rental property portfolio. He started small, with 1 or 2 properties, but as his portfolio grew, so did his passive income. Today, he makes enough from his properties to cover his living expenses, meaning he could walk away from his full-time job tomorrow if he wanted to. The earlier you start this process, the more time your investments have to grow. Step 5. Focus on tax efficiency. Taxes are one of the biggest drains on wealth. By optimizing your tax strategy, you can keep more of what you earn and invest it for the future. This means maximizing contributions to tax-advantaged accounts, utilizing tax loss harvesting, and being strategic about when you sell assets. Take John, who learned the ins and outs of tax-efficient investing. By using his Roth IRA and taking advantage of tax loss harvesting, he was able to reduce his tax burden and grow his wealth faster. A smart tax strategy can supercharge your path to financial independence. Step 6. Cultivate a growth-oriented career. This might seem like the least important step, but it's vital. Accelerating your career through upskilling, networking, and making strategic career moves can boost your income significantly. If you can increase your income while maintaining a low cost of living, your financial independence timeline will shorten dramatically. Consider Anna, who was in marketing. She spent a few years learning new skills and networking. By 35, she was making double what she was at 30, and she used that increased income to fast-track her investments. Career growth, if done strategically, can be a huge catalyst in your journey to financial independence. Step 7. Stay consistent and adjust your plan. Financial independence is a long-term game, and the journey may not always be smooth. However, the key is to stay consistent. Track your progress, adjust your strategy as life changes, and keep your eyes on the prize. Remember, you're not in this alone. Use resources like financial calculators, budgeting apps, and financial advisors to keep you on track. Stay adaptable. If something isn't working, reassess, and if something is working, double down. Now it's your turn. What's the first step you'll take toward financial independence? Maybe it's cutting back on unnecessary expenses, starting an investment plan, or exploring passive income. Let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching Factful Finance. If you found this video helpful, why not hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on the tools and strategies that can help you build wealth and reach your financial goals. We think you'll find the next video on screen really helpful. Check it out.